A day in the life of an introvert who occasionally does extrovert things. Hi, I'm Marie, and this is day 2 on Nido.
Hello! Hi, video!
So here we are on a boat tour with a friend I met last year in Boracay, April, and a group of strangers who may or may not become my friends by the end of the day.
Not going for snorkeling?
No. Like,
Team people. Manila.
Manila.
Cebu.
Upper Poland.
Poland. Oh. I only been there, but only at the airport.
Go to Poland, but like, yeah, for some time. I'm doing like a solo trip, but I know John from last year. We met
I met her in Boracay last year.
Oh, amazing. Even though it's crowded, like, it's pretty crowded.
Yeah, it's crowded. How old are you?
While everyone else is snorkeling, I'm doing what I do best. Existing quietly, taking photos and videos of my cute self, and staring at nature like they personally invited me here.
Sure mo ba? Bakit wala? Kaya nga! Wala! Talaga ba?
I'm also hanging out with April and Jossa. We're having a slightly chaotic photo session somewhere on the boat. But how did we get here? Last year, I woke up one random morning and decided that booking a flight to Nido was a perfectly reasonable way to start the year. Honestly, no regrets.
Mag-isa ka lang? Taga saan ka pala?
Ako? Staff ako ng outpost.
Ay, start ka ba? Sumama ka?
Kaya ako kasi, kaya lang nakaisip yung ibang tiyo, pwede sumama. Katulad ni Bakla, hindi ko sumama.
Oo nga, ba't di sumama si Bakla?
Ewan ko sa kanya, masakit yung katawan niya siguro.
Tapos ganyan.
Our next stop is to Lagoon. Getting off the boat, you can hear My Heart Will Go On start playing. Very Titanic. I'm usually fine being alone, but I'm not fully confident I know how to paddle without embarrassing myself. So I asked a guide to join me.
Kuya, smile ka.
Yes, I skipped the life jacket because it would ruin the aesthetic. Told myself I could just hold on to it if anything happened. Delusion is a powerful thing, you know, but this is not advice, okay? I am with our tour guide, Lawrence. That is April, and Lam, the other tour guide. Thank you very much.
I-itsa natin to, bro. I-itsa natin sila.
Uy, wag ah!
Lungkot naman yan, sir. Ang lungkot naman ng dugtog.
I see.
Nanganak na yung asawa ko, yung December 26. Pak! Pak ka! Nasabi sa inyo, ma'am. Sa 10 kuha niya, ma'am, isa lang yung maganda. Hayaan.
After exploring most of the lagoon, we stop in the middle to take photos, which immediately turns a little chaotic.
Gusto mo na mag-relax eh.
I mean, just look at us.
Paano tayo makikita lahat? Selfie. Ikaw mag-picture. Paano ba tayo makikita? Ikaw.
Ako!
Para dito harap.
Video ba? Ay, ito yung background. Dapat yun yung background. I-video mo na lang para may screenshot. Point by point.
Kumita ng pera. Hindi na maganda dito sa picture.
Kailangan maganda ako dito. Maputi ako dyan ah. Ibigay
Pag ako nahulog dito, sasagipin niya ba?
Hindi.
Hindi, papapuyan.
Imamautomot kita.
Ayan na, git. Video na lang. Nag-edit ako.
Pinahirapan pa natin sarili natin nga.
May dapat video mo.
Picturean mo kami ng ganito.
Dito ako. Pag-videoan mo. Ano, yung half?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung half na ano.
The guides start calling us back to the boat for lunch.
Outpost! Let's go back! Ayun kayo? Where?
Then we move to a shallow area, more photos, more videos, more pretending we are effortless beach people. Yeah. Here is where things get interesting. The boat is docked far from shore. As you can see, everyone swims except me and April. We look at each other and choose floating, not swimming, floating. Slow, peaceful, and slightly humiliating. We do reach the shore, gracefully, eventually, and the food is already prepared.
Yan. A lot of self-belief.
Parang pinagkumahatak tayo dito.
Yeah.
We find this really nice spot and I immediately get distracted taking photos again.
Hala, ang ganda. Ako ka dyan, mag-aura ka. Hala, gusto ko yung ganito.
Okay, human drone ako ha. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang ganda. Ako din.
Yeah, look at us having fun, forgetting to worry about how we're supposed to get back to the boat. Thanks to Lemuel for dragging us back while we float behind him. Humbling, memorable, but honestly, iconic.
Ay, doon ka muna. Tapos, bakit ka? Tapos, atras na ako tayo.
Okay.
Tingin ka here. Ay, wow. Oh my
up is another island with a 7-Eleven. We skipped that and get fresh buko instead. Ay, sorry! May photo bomber ka. Buko.
Paano kayo mainit sa reels? Try mo nga patayo.
We watch people play volleyball, film random shore moments. Very chill, very island life. Parang ang saya nila doon. Hindi ako marunong. Parang marunong silang lahat eh. Nakakahiya naman. Back on the boat, music, drinks, party vibes, and then it hits me. My camera battery is dying, my social battery is dying, my soul is requesting a nap. But then, I remember the cute guy who told me I look like Jessica Brody from Homeland and was a bit excited to go back from the tour. I'm not sure I see it, but it was cute that he thought so. Then, I realized I do not remember his face or his name, so I would not even know if he disappeared from the planet. And that storyline ends right there. No near-death experiences, no epic romance, just beautiful views, good vibes, floating instead of swimming, and a little chaos. Anyways, bye!